Let us see another example. A boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. We shall see the solution. Let the speed of the boat in still water be x km/h, and speed of the stream be y km/h. Then the speed of the boat downstream equals x plus y km/h. And the speed of the boat upstream equals x minus y km/h. Also, we know that time equals distance by speed. In the first case, when the boat goes 30 kilometers upstream, let the time taken, in hours, be t1. Then, t1 equals 30 by x minus y. Let t2 be the time, in hours, taken by the boat, to go 44 kilometers downstream. Then, t2 equals 44 by x plus y. The total time taken, t1 plus t2, is 10 hours. That is, t1 plus t2 equals 10. This implies that 30 is divided by x minus y, plus 44 is divided by x plus y, equals 10, make it as equation 1. In the second case, in 13 hours it can go 40 kilometers upstream, and 55 kilometers downstream. Then we get the equation as 40 is divided by x minus y, plus 55 is divided by x plus y, equals 13, make it as equation 2. Let 1 is divided by x minus y, is equal to p, and 1 is divided by x plus y, is equal to q. Substitute these values in equations 1 and 2. We get equation 1 becomes as 30p plus 44q equals 10, make it as equation 3. And equation 2 becomes as 40p plus 55q equals 13, make it as equation 4. Let us solve this by using elimination method. Observe that in equation 3, the coefficient of p is 30, and in equation 4, the coefficient of p is 40. In order to eliminate the variable p from these equations, we multiply the equation 3 by 4, and equation 4 by 3, to make the coefficient of p equal. We get equation 3 can be written as 120p plus 176q equals 40, make it as equation 5. Equation 4 can be written as 120p plus 165q equals 39, make it as equation 6. Now, subtract equation 6 from equation 5, we get 120p minus 120p plus 176q minus 165q equals 40 minus 39. This implies 11q equals 1. This implies that q equals 1 by 11. Substitute the value of q in equation 3. That is, 30p plus 44q equals 10. We get 30p plus 44 into 1 by 11 equals 10. This implies that 30p plus 4 equals 10. This implies that 30p equals 6. This implies that p equals 1 by 5. We have taken 1 is divided by x minus y as p, and 1 is divided by x plus y as q. Then p and q can be written as 1 is divided by x minus y equals 1 by 5, and 1 is divided by x plus y equals 1 by 11. From these equations we get x minus y equals 5, make it as equation 7, and x plus y equals 11, make it as equation 8. By adding the equation 7 and equation 8, we get x minus y plus x plus y equals 11 plus 5. This implies that x plus x minus y plus y equals 16. This implies that 2x equals 16. This implies that x equals 8. Substitute the value of x in one of the equations in equation 8, that is, x plus y equals 11. This implies that 8 plus y equals 11. This implies that y equals 3. Therefore, the speed of the boat in still water is 8 km/h, and the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. By substituting the values of x and y in the given equations, both the equations will be satisfied.